Welcome to this video. In today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang pagkakaiba or the difference of suppose and supposed to be. Ito ay makakatulong sa inyo na mag-advanced kayo in English grammar. This is a requested lesson by Jason Estanyol, and of course, masaya po akong tugunan ang inyong mga requested lessons. If you want to learn about this, watch this video until the end. Thank you so much for joining me again today, Joyful. I hope you're well. At kung bago ka pa lang dito, I am Teacher Zor, and of course, I am here para tulungan kang matuto and mag-improve sa iyong paggamit ng English in speaking or in writing. Our goal sa ating channel ay gawin lang simple at madali ang pagkatuto ng English. And don't forget to listen carefully to my explanation dahil mamaya we'll have a 5-item quiz para i-test niyo po ang inyong mga sarili tungkol sa inyong natutuhan. If you are now ready, let's begin. Now, let's have suppose versus supposed to be. Let's start with suppose. Suppose is used as a verb at ang meaning nito ay think or believe. Dan didn't answer his phone, so I suppose he's busy. Dan didn't answer his phone, so I believe or I think he's busy. I suppose you're right. I think you're right. I suppose no place is better than home on Christmas. You can have I think or I believe, but you can also use suppose. O naniniwala ako na wala ng ibang lugar na mas maganda kaysa sa, kapiling mo ang iyong pamilya on Christmas. Again, so ang first meaning natin sa suppose ay think or believe. So instead of using think or believe, we can use suppose. Moreover, suppose can also be used in short answers, okay? Which still it means believe, think, imagine, or expect. Parang katulad ng din kanina. Pero ito, this is used to answer somebody's question. Tulad ng, do you think he would be early tomorrow? Iniisip mo ba na maaga siya bukas? So, ang sagot dyan ay maaring, I suppose so. I suppose not, if that is negative, okay? Or, I don't suppose so. So, as what you can notice, ito ay merong dalawang pamamaraan kung paano to sagutin in negative statement. Like, dito na nga sa ating example, maaari ding I don't suppose or I suppose not. Finally, suppose can also mean what if. What if? O ipagpalagay. Suppose a fire broke out. How would we escape? So, what if a fire broke out? How would we escape? So, ang suppose na word dito ay ginamit to think a situation as a reality. Ito na nga, a fire broke out. Para malaman po natin kung ano kaya ang mangyayari. Tulad na nga dito, sinabi itong suppose a fire broke out dahil gusto niyang malaman kung paano sila mag-escape. Another, suppose you won 1 million peso. How would you spend the money? Ang suppose ay ginamit sa situation na ito, you won 1 million peso for you to be able to figure out or to know, eto na nga, how would you spend the money. So, yun po ang mga functions ng word na suppose. Now, let's have supposed to be. Supposed to be, on the other hand, is used to indicate expectation, obligation, or commitment. In Filipino, ang ibig sabihin nito ay dapat. Ang sentence structure po nito ay be verb plus supposed plus infinitive. Ito na ngang to plus base form of the verb. Pag sinabing be verb, ito po yung am, is, are, was, and where. Yan po ay nakadepende sa subject natin at syempre nakadepende din kung ang tinutukoy ba na pangyayari ay at present, in the future ba, in the past. Now, kung hindi nyo pa nakabisado yung am, is, are, itong mga be verbs, maaari nyo po itong panoorin po sa video na ito. Now, ano naman po itong to plus base form of the verb? Remember when we were in elementary, tinuruan tayo ng mga teachers natin tungkol sa base form, past form of the verb, and past participle form. Like walk, walked, walked. Eat, ate, eaten. Let's have an example. I am supposed to go to school tomorrow. I am expected to go to school tomorrow. It is my obligation or it is my commitment to go to school tomorrow. Whether pupunta ba ako sa school bukas o hindi, I am not so sure. But it is sure nga ang pagpunta sa school bukas ay isa kong obligation, isa kong commitment. Now, ang paggamit natin dito ng supposed to be, ang ibig sabihin ng be, ito po ay isang verb, okay? But usually, be ang ginagamit, but there are also times na ibang verb ang gagamitin. Like in this sentence, ang verb na ginamit natin dito ay go. We are supposed to clean the house at 5 p.m. before our parents arrive home. So we are obligated, we are committed to clean our house at 5 p.m. before our parents arrive home. So this is something that will still happen in the future. Now, paano naman kapag ang isang bagay o isang commitment mo ay nangyari sa nakaraan? Ano nang mangyayari sa sentence natin? Let's learn more. Ganoon pa rin naman ang sentence structure niya. However, meron lang pagkakaiba when it comes to our be verb. Like this sentence, she was supposed to finish the assignment yesterday, but she is still doing it. Nakikita natin na ito yung dapat niya sanang ginawa kahapon o yesterday. Pero, she is still doing it. Hanggang ngayon, ginagawa niya pa rin. Well, it simply means na hindi niya nagawa ang kanyang assignment yesterday. Kaya, today, ngayon, at present, ginagawa niya pa rin. You were supposed to visit your grandparents yesterday. We use the be verb where because this action, this obligation, ay dapat nangyari sa nakaraan. Okay? Yesterday. We're talking about of this adverb of time na yesterday. Now, Joyful, siguro ang tanong mo, what if teachers or kung gagawin nating negative sentence ang mga sentences na ito? Simple lang po, dadagdagan lang po natin ito ng not. Like, you were supposed to visit, kung hindi dapat silang mag-visit sa kanilang grandparents. Kahapon, we just have to add not. You were not supposed to visit your grandparents yesterday. Or, the show was not supposed to be free. So, yun po ang pagkakaiba ng suppose and supposed to be. Maliit lang po yung pagkakaiba nila. Yung suppose, it's believe, think, or imagine. On the other hand, ito namang supposed to be is about commitment, obligation. That's all. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you did, don't forget to share this video to your friends, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. This is Teacher Zor once again. Always remember, enjoy learning. See you!